Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on RHEL 10, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Now go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser, this one. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes and it is zip file. Okay, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the zip file. We have to unzip it, tar-xf, then tar, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder. ls. Now we have to start this Tor Browser.desktop file. Don't give sudo or run with root account. Just give /start. Then press the tab, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is opening. See, you got the Tor Browser. Now we have to connect to Tor. If you want to connect always automatically, you have to turn on this one and you have to click on connect. It is up to you. Otherwise, every time if you want to connect manually, you have to click on here. You want to connect always automatically, so turn on, then click on connect. See, it will take time. Go to this horizontal bars, help, then about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0. okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on RHEL 10. okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.